Then the next point is that we need to install Visual C++ build tools. So we can call this URL. Click on Download Build Tools. Run it. Okay, click on Continue. And then a window like this is opening up. And what we need here is this desktop development with C++. And important is here that we have the build tools installed. I've done that before, so I don't have to do that. If you do that, you can already see it's roughly 7 GB of space that you need for this installation. So if you see that, then you can click on Install and everything is going to be set up. Good. Thanks a lot and see you in the next one.